You know what? I actually believe now that we've driven every single vehicle that we brought out here with Belltech suspension that they do actually tune the shocks, because every one of the rides was just a little bit different. And I mean, I liked them all, but I was very impressed with the fact that we were in an F-150 on 22-inch wheels, and it still felt like a mattress through a dream. Yeah, I am very impressed with the Belltech suspension on every one of the vehicles, but I will say I think we got the craziest ride and the hardest ride in this F-150.